Hey, for Geekz fans, it's CJ here again with Amar from the workshop clinic, and today we want to talk about plantar fasciitis. And first and foremost, what is plantar fasciitis?
It's got a bunch of names, but plantar fasciitis is one of them. Essentially what it is, it's an irritation of a connection of a bunch of muscles at the bottom of the foot.
Mm-hmm.
So it can be a result of a lot of running. Generally, a lot of runners get this condition, and it's classified. The classic telltale sign is you feel this ripping sensation when you first take the first few steps in the morning.
Yeah.
But it's essentially an irritation of a connection of muscles or fascia at the bottom of the foot.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
Which fascia basically just encompasses muscle, right? So I mean, that's like the muscles in the feet, there's the fascia there.
Yeah.
There's all kinds of stuff.
Exactly. The fascia is just like that outside layer, where there's a bunch of muscles kind of contained within it or attached to it.
Yeah. But it's usually the muscle. I mean, I believe it's mostly the inflammation of the muscle. You know, muscles in the foot, plus maybe tendons being overstretched due to potentially pronation or something else that's going on, right? That's causing the fascia to get irritated.
Yeah, a lot of it. The way I look at it is really simple. There's a lot of tendons and there's a lot of muscles and stuff like that. I don't get too caught up in a lot of the muscle stuff. It's just overloading more or less, right? So it's overloading to a point where your body can't handle the load again.
Yeah.
And just simply look at it like that.
So if it hurts first thing in the morning,
yeah,
stepping out of bed,
yeah,
you probably get plantar fasciitis, right? So
Exactly. I don't really get too caught up in the small little. It could be this muscle causing it, this muscle causing it. It's a generalized condition. That's how I generalize everything. It makes it a lot simpler for people to understand.
Exactly.
And that's how I tackle it as well.
And most of the intrinsic muscles in the foot are so small anyway that to actually target one, a specific one, it's going to be extremely difficult, right? So I mean, obviously there's a few different treatment options. And I mean, how do you treat it in physiotherapy? I mean, what are kind of some of the things that you recommend people do at home to reduce some of the pain from plantar fasciitis?
I follow two really simple rules when I treat anything. So calm it down and then build it back up. So calming it down, like if you're running and you're getting it running, maybe just reduce the running, reduce the distance or reduce the frequency of running. Right? So I really try to identify the causing factors. And once I kind of address those, then I'll kind of start building it back up. Right? So we always recommend you continue to move and continue to exercise, but in a way where you're not increasing that irritation, increasing that inflammation. Like a little bit of discomfort's okay, but if it's getting that ripping pain and getting worse and worse, then probably doing too much. And then simple stuff, like simple stuff that a normal person would do anyways, would be like just calf stretching and stretching out your foot. And of course, like you probably have once recently, and this for sure is your footwear could be a huge component.
Yeah.
I obviously don't know a lot about footwear, so that's when I refer an ultra Christian, more or less. Like, to be completely honest with you, like I have my skill set, but like it's always one of those things you can kind of get everyone to kind of treat in their own way. There's never a magical fix.
Yeah.
It's usually an approach that has multiple moving parts. It could be like you're better at understanding the mechanics of the foot in terms of pronation and stuff like that, and it could be that, but. The way I look at it, from a physio point of view, I calm it down and build it back up.
How do you build it back up? And what kind of exercises do you recommend for strengthening the foot after somebody diagnosed with plantar fasciitis in that respect?
Yeah, honestly, I give this exercise all the time, and people are really bored with it. But calf raises. Calf raises are an amazing part. As long as you load plantar fascia right, they're like. Literally, I can just give you one exercise and a couple stretches, and generally you're okay.
Yeah.
But calf raises, once it's loaded right and your physio knows what they're doing, like generally it's a good vibe.
Okay, awesome. And I mean, one of the things obviously that we often discuss with clients is like, if you do have plantar fasciitis, should you be scaling down an exercise? I know we talked about running. Okay, well, if you're running 10 kilometers and it hurts, maybe cut that down to 5 kilometers, but should you stop exercising altogether, right? I mean, that's kind of the question. It's like, should you stop exercising or should you continue to kind of exercise, but maybe bring in, some of those different things like calf raises to reduce the strain on the tissue and help it kind of build itself back up?
Yeah, that's exactly right. I would never recommend anyone stops exercising for any condition, let alone plantar fasciitis, but it's a common thing, it's painful, right? You really don't want to move around because you feel like it's damaged, but what people don't realize is when you do move and exercise, it improves blood flow to those areas. And that's what you really need. You really got to get your body to heal itself.
Yeah.
Right, more or less. We can facilitate it, of course, but movement's always beneficial. And it's really our number one source of treatment. Is good targeted movement.
Yeah.
Generally gets the job done for us.
Get the blood flow going.
Yeah.
Excellent. That's really what we would talk about when it comes to plantar fasciitis and how to treat it with a physio. If you have any questions regarding this, please post those below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do so over here. Have an amazing day.